It's estimated there are 600 million vehicles in the world today. Lots of people have trouble finding their car in a parking lot. But not these guys. They take customization to the extreme.
So just follow her.
For them, a car isn't just something you drive. It's something that expresses your creativity, your politics, your quirky sense of humor. This is the Mercedes-Benz. Yeah, that's Benz, not Benz.
And the idea for using pens was just like, it popped in my head. I was like, dude, that's an awesome idea. The trick is to get as many pens on this car as possible. To reduce sections a lot because they fall off. So these are like fresh ones right here. So I got the pens on the dashboard there with Velcro so they come off. So hubcaps, scented. I mean, these are good stuff. That's my ride, folks. Mercedes-Benz.
Every year, art car enthusiasts gather in Berkeley, California to show off their creations. Festival co-founder Philo Northrop is now on his 6th set of customized wheels.
This is Daisy Singer. This is a Honda Element that I bought new to do this to. So everything on the car is about 100 years old. These ceiling tin elements and linoleum from floors. As with all my art cars, there's a living garden on the roof. The normal context for an art car is in the normal world, in a parking lot where people just bump into it. And that's why they react, wow, you can do that to a car. Your car is sort of like your clothing. It's a second skin, and I want it to reflect who I am.
All it takes is a car and an imagination. Having a lot of spare time probably helps as well.
I started with a few beads, some mirrors on the side over there, but it kind of took over my life.
Harrod Blank started off painting a rooster on his Volkswagen and ended up with an eclectic montage known as Oh My God. But that wasn't satisfying enough. So he came up with this, a band on wheels. Emily Duffy calls her hot pink car the Vein Van and uses it to address women's issues.
I'm driving the Vein Van, which is covered with brassieres. We've got a bra of bras down here in the front end. Then the chest area has jewelry. The head has curlers. And on the sides are the 4 saints of beauty. They have halos made of beauty products. And on the back end is just like a woman fattening food.
For these guys, it's not about the destination. It's how you look when you arrive.